Gaganda guys, oh. Part 2. Part 2. Guys, ang ganda talaga dito, oh. This is part 2 guys, part 2. You see, ang ganda. Beautiful flowers in Kusibay guys. Beautiful. It's raining. Philippine Consulate guys. Gawa ng Philippine. just like that, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, beautiful. Hey, don't walk away, not yet. I don't see anything. I don't see. Proud. Good job.
Good job daw ang Philippines. Ayan, ito ang gawa ng Philippines, guys. Ayan, ang dress niya, oh.
Well thought out.
Yung Americana, tsaka yung dress niya, oh. Filipiniana. Ayan, guys.
No.
Oh.
Sunday.
Sunday. Oh, I
It's nice
see.
tomorrow. You have to pay $7.
Oh.
Oh, I think that's Priscilla. The Sunday they charge you because they don't that they will give away the flower.
Okay. Ang daming flowers talaga. Oh.
Yeah, these two should be. Put it on the chair so that it covers the sheet. Everything grown in here is edible herbs.
Ah,
So
okay.
now that's interesting. That you learn something.
I like the blueberry.
Now see all the go to aloe vera.
Aloe vera also have flowers. Aloe vera. Mga ayan. Simple siya. Ayan. Kunti lang ang flowers niya. Ayan. Magsawa ka talaga. Super dami. Buong Victoria Park, guys. Daming flowers. So, utusan nila ako eh. Yan guys, oh, ang gaganda. Oh. Ang mga roses, guys. Ito mga fresh flowers talaga. Ayan. Flowers, you guys. At Victoria Park. Super.
哇，呢個好靚。
Ang gaganda. Ang gaganda talaga, guys. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon sa gitna, guys. Dito pa lang. Kasama ko kasi sila. Ayan. Oh, ang lemon. Guys, ang lemon. Oh, kita ninyo ang lemon? Oh, ayan. Ganda ng roses, guys, talaga, oh. Sobrang gaganda. Okay guys, thank you for watching, beautiful friends. Please watch my video. Beautiful flowers. Ayan. Woo! Ang gaganda guys. Oh, kita ninyo yan? Ayan. Iba't iba ang kanilang kon guys. Mga trabaho ginawa. Mga country ba ang gumawa. Ang ganda ng ating show. The rabbit.
What is that purple one?
Tomato. Eggplant. Ooh.
Oh, that's eggplant.
Yes, tomato.
Oh, we should plant some eggplant. The flower is beautiful.
Yeah, cabbage. Cabbage.
Oh, yes, yes.
Cabbage.
Where's the cabbage?
Here, ma'am.
Oh, yes, celery.
And this one,
I think it's a radish.
radish.
Is it because at the bottom it's the brown one?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, this
Oh,
broccoli.
cherry tomato. Wait,
Yeah.
wait.
$2.
$2.
And
And
that's chili, ma'am.
that's kale. Kale.
You see the chili?
Yeah, I see the chili.
Yeah, strawberry.
yeah.
The chili.
Yeah.
Chili. Oh, ma'am, a lot of fruits.
Oh.
They
Oh,
plant.
yeah, a lot of eggplants here.
Oh,
Oh, look at this. Cauliflower.
cauliflower.
Nah.
Allah. I will bring sir here.
Yeah, yeah. bring them over here.
So what is this thing here?
What is this, ma'am? What is this, ma'am?
Sorrel.
Oh, and this
S-O-R-R-E-L.
and this one.
That one is, this one is bạc choy, cải lan, cái choy.
Kailan?
You know, you
Oh,
remember
wow,
the
that
song?
one.
Kale.
Oh, it's okay.
Kale. Now the sign is down there. Let's see what this is. I think it's
Mga plants. Oh. Oh. Okay.
that's a cabbage.
Yes, ma'am, cabbage.
I mean, this is really edible.
Eggplant. Eggplant. Oh. The cabbage.
That's corn.
Yes, ma'am, corn.
And I wonder. Oh, that's celery. I wonder what is this. Beet?
Yeah.
Did you say it's beet?
No name. How about that one, ma'am?
Oh, I think it's just cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah, yeah, the cauliflower type cabbage.
Okay. And the frog.
What? The
Frog.
frog. Oh, so cute. And that's banana.
Ang lalaki ng flowers, guys. Oh. Oh. Tingnan ninyo. Ang gaganda. Dancing orchids.
Yeah.
This one, man?
Yeah, because you see when the wind blows, they dance, so that's why it's
Oh.
called, it's a kind of orchid. You
It's-
can get in the market. Oh, pretty girl.
Hi. Okay. Oh. Inside.
Inside. Oh, okay.
Inside.
Inside the cave.
Oh, there is a dry corn.
Dry corn. Yeah.
Upstairs. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, tignan naman ninyo guys. Oh. Mm. Mm.
There's such a pretty lake here. It's called Inspiration Lake. Yes, Cecilia. Okay. Inspiration Lake.
Frog. Bonsai, guys. Ayan. Okay. Dito naman tayo, guys. Kasi wala pa yung isa. Inaantay namin. Ang busy, guys. So, super gaganda naman. Okay. Okay, ang gaganda guys. Oh, dito tayo. Daming nagkukuhaan ng mga video guys. Oh yes. Oh. Ayan. Dan lang ako saglit. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang gaganda ng mga flowers talaga. No? Oh. May plane pang sumudsud doon. Ha, mga isda guys. Oh. Everlasting. Everlasting. Different kind of colors of rose. Guys, this was my video. We are here in Victoria Park flower show. Ayun naman ang from Macau. Tignan niyo yung Macau. Yan ang Macau guys. Yan. Gawa ng Macau. Okay. Thank you for watching, beautiful friends. Mega love shout out. Balik na ako sa kanila. Andito tayo sa Victoria Park flower show. Ayan guys. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.